Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate a few different ways that you can split a body in Fusion. So the first and probably the simplest way is just to use a offset plane. So you can create a offset plane partway through the body that you want to split. Go up to the split body tool, select the body, and then for the splitting tool, we select the plane and then hit OK. And you can see that now we have two separate bodies. We're going to go ahead and undo that. We've got our original cube here. For the next method, we're going to select one of the faces and go create a sketch on that face. And I'm just going to sketch a simple spline like so. And we'll finish the sketch. And again, go up to the split body tool. And we're going to select the body we want to split. And then we will select our sketch. And you can see that creates a nice curved split through our body. And you can go in here and check it. And you can see we've got two different pieces. So that's a nice way if you want to have a little bit more control over the split. We can undo that. And then for the third method, we're going to come down and create a very simple shape. Create a cube next to our first cube. And it doesn't even have to be touching it, but we can use that second cube to split the first one simply by selecting one of the faces that aligns with the part of the first cube you want to split, and then apply it. Come over here again and check it. You can see that it has in fact split the first cube. So there's a few different ways that you can split bodies in Fusion.